Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best spring fruits for beginners. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1, strawberries. Strawberries are a classic beginner fruit for a reason. They are naturally fast-growing plants that respond very well to spring temperatures. When planted in spring, strawberries focus on root growth and leaf production, which helps them establish quickly. Many varieties will start producing fruit within the same year. Strawberries are especially great for beginners because they grow well in small spaces. You can plant them in pots, hanging baskets, raised beds, or directly in the ground. They do not require complex pruning, and problems are easy to spot early. Spring weather also reduces stress on young plants compared to hot summer planting. For care, strawberries need consistent watering and good drainage. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Mulching helps keep fruit clean and prevents rot. Remove runners if you want the plant to focus on fruit production. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are long-term fruit plants that reward patience. They are shrubs that can live and produce fruit for many years, making them a great investment for spring planting. Spring is ideal because the plant can establish roots before summer heat arrives. What makes blueberries beginner-friendly is their predictable growth and low maintenance once established. They grow very well in containers, which makes soil control much easier. The main requirement is acidic soil, which is easier to manage in pots than in the ground. Care focuses on soil quality and watering. Blueberries like evenly moist soil but do not tolerate standing water. Mulching helps retain moisture and keeps roots cool. Pruning is minimal in the first few years. Number 3. Raspberries. Raspberries grow on canes and are known for their strong growth and productivity. Spring-planted raspberry canes establish quickly and often grow vigorously during their first season. This makes them forgiving if you make small mistakes. Raspberries grow on canes and are known for their strong growth and productivity. Spring-planted raspberry canes establish quickly and often grow vigorously during their first season. This makes them forgiving if you make small mistakes. For care, raspberries need regular watering, especially during active growth. They benefit from support like trellises to keep canes upright. Pruning depends on the type, but basic thinning and removal of old canes is usually enough. Number 4, blackberries. Blackberries are one of the most forgiving fruit plants you can grow. They are vigorous growers and adapt well to different soil conditions. Spring planting allows them to establish strong root systems before their rapid summer growth. These plants are great for backyard gardeners because they require very little care once established. Many varieties are thornless, which makes maintenance easier for beginners. Blackberries are also very productive, often producing large harvests with minimal effort. Care involves watering during dry periods and occasional pruning to control size. Like raspberries, they benefit from basic support structures. Once settled, they can thrive for years with minimal input. Number 5, cherries. Dwarf varieties. Dwarf cherry trees make fruit growing more accessible to beginners. Unlike full-size trees, dwarf varieties are easier to manage, prune, and harvest. Spring planting allows the tree to settle in before its first full-growing season. Cherry trees are also valued for their spring blossoms, which appear before fruit development. Some dwarf varieties are self-pollinating, meaning you only need one tree to get fruit. Care involves regular watering during establishment and light pruning to maintain shape. Cherries prefer good airflow and sunlight to prevent disease. Number 6, pear. Pear trees are one of the most reliable fruit trees for beginner gardeners. They grow at a steady pace and tend to be more disease-resistant than many other fruit trees. Spring is an ideal time to plant pears because the tree can focus on root development before active growth begins. This helps reduce stress and improves long-term health. Pears are also long-living trees that can produce fruit for many years once established. While some varieties need a second tree for pollination, there are also self-fertile options available. Their blossoms appear in spring and develop slowly into fruit over the growing season, which makes care more predictable and easier to manage. For care, pear trees prefer consistent watering during their first year. Once established, they are relatively drought-tolerant. Light annual pruning helps maintain shape and airflow. Pears grow best in sunny locations with well-draining soil and benefit from spacing that allows good air circulation. Number 7. Peaches, dwarf types. Dwarf peach trees are a good learning tree for new gardeners. They grow compactly, respond well to pruning, and adapt to warm spring climates. Spring planting allows strong root development before fruiting seasons. Peaches are fast growers and give clear visual feedback, which helps beginners understand watering, pruning, and nutrient needs. Dwarf varieties also work well in containers. Care involves consistent watering, annual pruning, and good sun exposure. Peaches benefit from thinning fruit to improve size and quality. Number 8. Figs. Figs are one of the most beginner-proof fruit plants available. They are extremely resilient and tolerate a wide range of conditions. Spring planting helps figs establish quickly and encourages strong growth. Figs grow well in pots, which allows gardeners to control size and move plants if needed. They require very little pruning and are naturally resistant to many pests. Care is simple. Water regularly during establishment, then reduce once the plant matures. Figs prefer sun and well-draining soil and do not need frequent fertilizing. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best spring fruits for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!